Hey everyone, welcome back to the Top Air Update. In today's video, we're diving into a crazy story from April 28, 2025. Ukraine lost one of their top fighter jets, the Su-27, but here's the twist. It was taken down by drones. Yeah, you heard that right. Drones, not missiles or fighter jets. So what happened? And why is this such a big deal? Stick around because we're about to break it down for you. Before we dive into the incident, let's set the stage. The war between Russia and Ukraine started back in 2022 and has escalated into a major global conflict. Ukraine, facing one of the world's largest military powers, has had to rely on everything it has to protect its airspace. One of those key assets? The Su-27 fighter jet. This thing has been around since the 1980s and is still a major part of Ukraine's defense strategy. The Su-27, also known as the Flanker, is a multi-role fighter designed for air superiority. Despite being decades old, it's still incredibly capable with its amazing maneuverability and long-range missile capabilities. But let's be real, after so many years of service, it does need a lot of maintenance and is starting to show its age. So what happened on April 28th? Well, Ukraine was carrying out a crucial air mission to protect their ground forces when disaster struck. While trying to intercept an attack by Russian UAVs, drones, the Su-27 was hit and ultimately went down. Fortunately, the pilot ejected and survived, but the jet didn't make it. But here's the kicker. This wasn't your usual missile strike or dogfight. The cause was drones. Russia launched a massive wave of UAVs, unmanned aerial vehicles, into Ukraine's airspace. These drones are small, cheap, and surprisingly tough to detect. Even though the Su-27 is a formidable aircraft, it couldn't handle the sheer number and precision of the drone strike. The drones overwhelmed the aircraft's defenses, causing it to crash. Now, let's talk about why drones are such a big deal. UAVs are becoming the go-to weapon in modern warfare because they're cheap, versatile, and stealthy. While fighter jets like the Su-27 cost millions of dollars, drones are a fraction of that cost, making them way more expendable and harder to stop. The cost of a single drone can be just a few $1,000s, while a Su-27 can cost tens of millions. This makes drones not only an affordable option for Russia, but also an effective one. They can fly in large swarms, confuse air defense systems, and get past radar. It's a game changer for how wars are fought in the sky. Losing the Su-27 was a huge blow to Ukraine. This jet was one of their primary air defense assets. Even though the pilot survived, the loss of the jet affects their ability to defend the skies. The Su-27 is one of the few jets capable of intercepting enemy aircraft and missiles, so it's a key player in the fight. But here's the good news: Ukraine isn't on its own. They've received critical support from Western nations, especially the U.S. and NATO allies, who've supplied advanced air defense systems like the Patriot and NASAMS. These systems are essential for intercepting missiles and drones, helping Ukraine continue to defend itself against Russian aerial threats. In addition to Western support, Ukraine is also working hard to develop its own anti-drone technology. One of the coolest developments? AI-powered defense systems. These systems can identify and destroy drones almost instantly, which is a game changer in modern warfare. With AI, Ukraine can detect a drone from miles away and take it down before it even gets close. So, while they may be losing some of their older fighter jets, their tech is catching up, giving them the tools they need to keep their skies safe. But that's not all. Ukraine is also developing its own drones with AI capabilities. These drones are designed to fly and act semi-autonomously, meaning they can carry out missions without too much human intervention. It's all about adapting to the new kind of warfare where drones aren't just used for reconnaissance. They're now becoming part of the attack strategy. These AI drones can launch precise attacks, coordinate with other drones, and adapt to the situation on the ground. It's like having an army of autonomous fighters working together to achieve the mission. And this is where warfare is heading. As drone technology improves, expect to see even more of these drones taking center stage. Now, let's talk about the international aspect. Ukraine isn't fighting this battle alone. They've received massive support from countries like the US, the UK, and others who've been sending advanced defense systems, training, and financial aid to help bolster Ukraine's defense capabilities. So, what can we learn from this incident? Well, the war in the skies is changing. The future of air defense isn't just about fighter jets and missiles anymore. It's about drones, AI, and next-gen defense technology. Ukraine's fight against Russia is a prime example of how warfare is evolving and how countries need to innovate to keep up with the new threats that are emerging. As we move forward, we'll likely see more reliance on AI-powered systems, drone swarms, and advanced radar technology. And that means the way wars are fought in the air will be dramatically different. Ukraine is showing the world how to adapt to this new battlefield, and who knows what the future holds. And that's a wrap for today's video. We've just scratched the surface of this fascinating topic. If you like this breakdown and want to stay updated on more topics like this, make sure to hit that like button, comment below with your thoughts, and subscribe to the channel. Catch you in the next one.